people, this is Girly Studios, and I will be showing you a video of the Niagara Falls River Rapids. You can see it going there. And so, there's the boat there, not boat, the, what's it called? Cart right there. And so, it'll be going soon, but I want you to see this. It's really cool. It's the Niagara Falls River Rapids. I wonder when this will go. You can see all the people here. The third day? Oh yeah, this is the third day. Oh, it's gonna go now. Okay. See, it's going. Okay. So the people are going over the falls. Not the falls, but like the river rapids right now. So you can see them going there. I wonder what it'll be like to go over it. Yeah. You can see them looking out like, whoa. Isn't this cool? So the water comes from there and then into here, and there's like a big white waters here. And they go there and then they'll come back. Come back. No. No. Will they go into the woods, into the woods, into the woods? Well, they will. Just see it. I don't know if you can see. It's like Aero, and then it goes up there. So they're going to go all the way there. Up into that castle, I think. Yep. Dun, 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 dun. See, they're going into here. And right now we're in Canada. Niagara Falls. Okay. So then we go into that like temple castle thing over there. All the way up. All the way up. Into there? I think they're gonna go into there. That'd be cool to go in there. Trying to go closer, but I can't. Okay. Okay. So I will be ending this video here. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. I hope you like this, and bye!